Hi, I'm Vicki Hall with Remax Masters Millennium, and I'm sitting here with John, and he just signed his paperwork to sell his beautiful ranch home in Sierra Ridge in Parker, and he's going to tell you a little bit about that experience.
Yes, I'm very angry with Vicki. My house did not sell in one day. It sold in 4 days, and I was really, really disappointed. And besides
I apologize.
and we're closing in, I think, less than 30 days, which
Yes.
I think is a relatively short period of time. A lot of this had to do with Vicki's guidance and counsel, and how to set, what price to set on the house, what items to include, not include, some contingencies, the marketing brochure that you guys put together. I would buy the house myself again if I saw it. And the open houses went exceedingly well, and there really hasn't been any problems. So this may, I think this is the 6th house that I've sold in my lifetime, and to my recollection, this is the smoothest closing I've ever been through.
Yay. Yay. It's been a pleasure working with you. This is the 3rd house I've done with John. He sold another house with me probably 4 years ago, and then bought a new house about 3 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
And so I've very much enjoyed working with you.
It was my pleasure all the way around. Thank you.
Thank you.